Your home district is Bhadrak, right?
No,
Bargad.
Bargad, okay.
So, Priyanka, tell me, what is the major issue in Bargad? If you are posted as administrator over there, one issue that you will try to fix.
So at first, currently, the cancer is the biggest issue.
Why the cancer is happening over there?
So because Bargad is known as the rice bowl of Odisha,
Okay.
and the farmers are unaware about the harmful pesticides and fertilizers they are using.
Okay.
Those are graded as uh, harmful category 2 by WHO, World Health Organization. That is
Okay.
all.
Can
So-
you name few international treaty or organizations which are dealing with this, harmful effect of pesticides or fertilizers?
Ma'am, one would be World Health Organization who is guiding, and other than that, sorry, ma'am, I'll look
Okay.
into it.
It's okay. Acha, how will you fix that issue? That cancer issue?
Sir, the farmers are unaware about the uses of how they should use the pesticides or
And what
fertilizer,
amount and all?
and at what amount.
Okay.
So at first we need to guide them. Although there is Krishi Seva Kendra, Krushaka Seva Kendra in Bargad, but still the efficient functioning of it and moving to farmers from home to home and guiding them, it's not going well. Other than that, sir, although the Krushaka Seva Kendra is telling them about using biofertilizers or biopesticide, but sir, it can't give us result as fast as the fertilizers or pesticides are giving. So we need to come up with research and we need to do a lot more things, sir.
Okay. Acha, you have done some certificate in disaster management, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the disaster management architecture, the hierarchy of Odisha?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
At first comes the Odisha State Disaster Management Authority.
OSDMA. Okay. Then?
Sir. Then comes the District Management Authority.
Hmm.
Then apart from below that comes the block or panchayat level authorities.
Okay. In Bargad, is Bargad susceptible to any kind of disaster?
Sir, in past there were a few tremors of earthquake
But
found,
not in any
but
major
no.
disaster.
Currently, it is under Zone 2 category of earthquake, and due to climate change, further it may see the catastrophe of floods or
What river is flowing through Bargad?
it's a Jira River, sir.
Jira.
It is a tributary of Mahanadi, sir.
Okay. You have been working as a content writer.
Yes, sir.
So, how AI is going to impact the job of a content writer? Does it impact positively or negatively?
So it is impacting the job of content writer and many other roles which are related to writing, because AI is a machine learning and it is having all those data which we were earlier researching through and inputting in any of the content. But sir, it is told that we should learn the skill to or upgrade ourselves to overcome the challenges that are coming through AI.
That's it. As far as content writing is concerned, how AI, what are the errors that you see AI is committing?
Yes, sir. It is not up to date to the recent data, sir.
Okay, and any other thing?
Any other?
Have you heard about something called AI hallucination? It is cooking up, it is creating fake case laws, fake content, fake case studies. Are you aware of that? That is known as AI hallucination.
No, sir. I'll look into it, sir.
Okay. So this is your OPSC. You have been preparing for UPSC and OPSC both?
No, sir.
Only OPSC.
Only UPSC, sir.
How many attempts? This is will be
So this is my fourth attempt and first interview, sir.
fourth attempt. Okay.
So there's a gap between 2019 and 24. So all this time you have been preparing?
Yes, ma'am. No, I have started my preparation from 2021.
Okay.
After 19, the COVID hit us, so I was admitted. I was severely affected by it. So after that, I've started preparation, and since I have cleared the prelims, so the cycle is
Okay. Okay. Understood.
So, what is the poverty ratio or number across Bargarh?
I don't know exactly figure of poverty of Bargarh, but I know that Odisha is doing well in multi-dimensional poverty index,
Okay.
and it was in the 2021 it was nearly about approx 35% of people were head count ratio of multi-dimensional poverty index of 35%, but currently the data show that it has reduced to 15 approx 15%. So I look into the Bargarh.
Okay. So, what is the literacy rate of Odisha?
Ma'am, overall literacy rate is 74%,
Okay.
and the male literacy rate is 81 or 82, and the female are lagging behind with 64.
Okay. Let's say tomorrow you get posted across Bhadrak. Okay. And because of this misinformations being spread across social media, there has been a riot. And how do you plan to, deal with the situation?
Right between two communities.
Definitely.
Yes. Ma'am, first of all, when I'm getting posted, I'll know through what are the communities that are living nearby, and I'll obviously look into what were the past incidents and what could be the near incidents that are going to be happened. Then the social media or the cyber crimes are very much increasing day by day. So I will go I will try to approach influencer as they are having very many followers.
Should that be your first measure to, approach to the influencers to curtail down this spread of misinformation?
We have to spread awareness
Okay.
that we should live in harmony manner, because they tell people in a very story based manner, and people get influenced by them. That is why they're having many followers.
Are you aware of the problems across Manipur? Was social media an important and significant agent to curtail down those ethnic riots? Was it successful?
No, ma'am. It was not successful. We need efficiency in governance policies also, ma'am.
Can you state few examples of applications of AI in administration or governance?
Yes, ma'am. We can use to collect all the data of government. This will reduce the dependency on the paperwork. Apart from it, it will also increase transparency while we integrate AI with administration.
Okay.
And apart from governance, I can tell that we can use in agriculture also,
How?
because drone Didi program where SSG women are trained. And
Precision agriculture, right?
yes, sir, yes. Sir.
So, you have very interesting hobbies. Writing poetic quotes and stanzas. Okay.
Yes,
Have you written something recently?
yes, sir.
Tell me.
So it is in my language, Kosli language. So.
Kosli language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, anyway. So you write in Kosli language only?
No, any language also, but recently it was Sambalpuri Day in August 1. So in that day, something struck to my mind, I wrote.
Okay.
Okay. Have you written anything in English or any other language?
Yes, while preparing for civil service, I was writing some poetic stanzas regarding women empowerment and regarding environment, but currently I can only recall that is what I wrote.
What is freestyle dancing?
So anything that rhythm with the music
Okay.
and steps. Other than that, I have also mentioned Sambalpuri folk dance.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you name few other folk dances across India?
Or at least Odisha?
Yes, Odisha I can mention,
Okay.
like Gotipur
Mhm.
and Chau of Mayurbhanj, Ghumra of Kalahandi and Noapada.
So tell me, you mentioned about Kosala. Do you think the demand for Kosala state is justified?
No, sir, I don't think so.
Mhm.
Because from the locality which I come from, the people are anguished over the underdevelopment or the regional disparity of coastal area of Odisha with the western Odisha. and also there is lagging in the function of Western Odisha Development Council.
Mhm.
It was established for the development priority of Western Odisha, but it is lagging its duty regarding that. And that is the main reason or root cause that people are demanding for coastal state.
Okay.
Other than that, unity in diversity is the only thing that we have been taught since we were.
No, my question was, is it justified or not? What is your answer to that?
No, sir, it's not justified. We should know the root cause.
You are doing planting and gardening as well, right? Is
Yes.
it indoor gardening or outdoor gardening?
Indoor.
Indoor. What kind of plants you keep?
Recently, I have planted chili, tomatoes, like kitchen garden.
Indoor gardening.
Indoor gardening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Tomato, chili. What else?
And spring onions, coriander,
Okay.
curry leaves, that are essential for everyday cooking.
Okay.
Or we can tell kitchen garden,
Okay. Can you name few plants which can be grown without soil?
which can be.
Grown without soil.
Yes, ma'am. That are hydroponic plants and money plants and there are some. Oh, sorry, ma'am, I can't recall. I'll look into it.
Okay. Are you aware of a concept called deep fake?
Yes, ma'am.
So is India doing anything to, cut down those instances?
Sorry, ma'am. I'll look
Okay.
into it. I have just known that deepfake was an issue that was raised by several people regarding how their images are being hampered
You
by.
cannot never know what is true, what is false. anymore,
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
I'll look
Okay.
into it.
You also do cooking. What kind of cooking? What kind of cuisine you cook? Odia cuisines or?
Anything that comes or pop up on my Instagram. I,
So you are an Instagram cooker. Great. So tell me, what was the, in your opinion, if you want to criticize Weber's bureaucracy model, what are the two or three, major criticisms against it?
Sir, Weber has focused more on the structural point of bureaucracy.
Mhm.
Like bureaucracy should focus on this thing rather than being practical or being that is applicable in some of the countries. He have not applied that approach in his model, sir.
Okay. Weber said that bureaucracy should be unemotional, rational entity, right?
Yes.
Do you think that viewpoint still applies to bureaucracy?
No, sir.
No. How?
If a bureaucrat is not somewhat emotional or compassion or tolerant toward people, how will he understand the people and communicate with them and come up with a solution?
Okay. What about the rationality aspect of bureaucracy?
Are you suggesting rational people are not empathetic?
No, rational people are empathetic, but
We should not cut down the emotions.
yes, sir,
Completely.
emotional intelligence,
Should be there. No?
it is the solution for today's bureaucrat.
Okay. So tell me, bureaucracy, is it a roadblock to development or is it an enabler of development?
Sir, in the past, bureaucracy was roadblock to development.
Mhm.
Currently, with the decentralized approach, we are trying to
We remove bureaucracy from development.
no,
Then?
try to uh, lower a bit down roadblock of bureaucracy for to development, sir.
So that they can become enablers, right? Now, how does social media, adversely impact governance? Can you give me some instances?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Um, so social media spreads fake news,
Okay.
which leads to community riots
Mhm.
and other.
Any recent, real examples?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in Odisha.
Yes, anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Not only Odisha, anywhere. Where, social media fake news has created a headache for the governance.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall now.
Okay. Do you remember during the times of COVID, Lot
Yes,
of fake news were there.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Operation Sindhu time, there were
Yes,
a lot
sir,
of
yes.
misinformation. Okay. What is Kautilya's Saptanga theory? Are you aware of it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So Kautilya gave Saptanga theory that 7 of the major components of an Rajya or state, and there were the state, sorry, the king, the Durga, the fort, and the citizens, or and the Mitra, the ally, and the treasury, and the what else? Army, and the law, Danda.
Have you read about Kautilya's view on war? Are you aware of something called Tusnim War or Tusnim Yuddha? No?
No, sir. I'm getting it.
So recently a lot of issue going on between India and USA, right? Tariff war is going
yes.
on. Do you think that 50% tariff imposed by USA, is it justified?
So for a developing country like India, it is not justified.
Okay. They have given the reason that India is buying Russian oil and funding Russian wars, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that allegation is justified?
No, sir, because they are engaging with Russia regarding their.
Energy security.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, how much of this, if this tariff is in play now, so how much of our export in terms of value will be impacted? Do you know that?
No, sir. I'll look into it, sir.
If you have to choose a posting between say Bargarh and Malkangiri, which one you will choose?
So I'll choose Malkangiri.
Malkangiri. Why? You don't like Bargarh?
No, I like burgers.
Then
So, but I feel that Malkangiri needs more honest officer than Bargarh.
And currently they don't.
they don't have officers?
They're lagging behind than Bargarh. I want to do something for the people there.
Okay. Bargarh is also lagging behind, isn't it?
Yes.
But Malkangiri is lagging more behind than Bargarh.
Okay. Is that the only reason?
Yes, sir. Also, I want to explore a new place other than Bargarh, since I have resided in Bargarh for last 25 years.
So you are got bored of Bargarh. That's what you're saying.
No, I have not got bored of Bargarh, but I want to explore
New places.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, between Pakistan and China, who is a bigger threat? Pakistan or China?
So China.
China. Why?
Yes. So the economy of China is blooming,
Okay.
and the military of China is also very.
So tell me, if you compare India's GDP with China's GDP, China is how many times of India's GDP? How big China is from, say from India?
Sorry,
GDP
sir, I
wise.
don't know the exact.
Okay. Odisha's economy, what is the size of Odisha's economy? Are you aware of it?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know there is something called Odisha Vision? Government came up with that by 2036. They want to become Viksit Odisha and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know by 2036 what is our goal as far as Odisha economy is concerned?
Sir, I have only heard about Viksit Odisha 2036. Other than that, I will look.
You don't know the targets.
No, sir. I'll look into it, sir.
Okay. What is your opinion on the stray dog issue and the Supreme Court verdict on that? You are aware of that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the number of stray dogs are rising,
Okay.
but putting them into shelter home is not the only solution.
Then what is the solution?
Sir, we should immunize them with the proper veterinary procedure, whatever is required. And other than that, we should try to curb the number by taking the steps that are required. But putting them in shelter home, where we don't have enough space for building school, healthcare.
Will be difficult, you say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you do Rangoli making in Dhanu Yatra?
As I have participated during my school time, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
So don't you think cleanliness should be a habit and not a special achievement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done with the interview.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay.